So hey everyone, Tailwind CSS version 4 is finally out and it comes with some amazing new updates and improvements. That's super exciting, but it also means the tutorial which is on YouTube is now outdated. So in this video, I will show you how to install new Tailwind CSS version 4 in your React project using Vite plugin. So step 1, go to tailwindcss.com. On the top right, click on Docs to open the documentation. The layouts look similar to before, but there's one big change. The Vite installation guide is no longer under the framework guide section. It now has its own tab called using Vite. Now step 2. Before starting, make sure you have installed Node.js. If you don't have it, go to nodejs.org and download it for free. If you are not sure, open terminal and type node space dash v. Press enter. It will show your Node.js version if it's installed. Now step 3. Now go to folder where you want to create your project. For this video, I will make it on desktop. In terminal, type cd desktop. Then run this command to create a new Vite project with React, which is npm create vite @latest space tailwind css project space dash dash space dash dash template react. The official Tailwind guide does not mention this command because they assume you already have a Vite project ready. Now press on yes and I want React and JavaScript. Now it will install your all dependencies and files. Now press cd Tailwind project. It will go through your Tailwind project file and now npm install. Now it will install your all files. It will take some time and yeah, it's completed. Now go to your file which is created by this command, which is on desktop. Now open with your VS Code. Now installation of CSS. Now let's follow the Tailwind CSS v4 installation steps. Step 1. Copy the first command from the docs and paste it in a terminal. This installs Tailwind CSS using npm. After that, check your package.json file. You should see Tailwind listed under dependencies. Now step 2. Now open vite.config.js. At the top, add import line for the Tailwind plugin from the docs. Then paste the second line into the plugins array and then save the file. Now here we are in step 3. We now import Tailwind CSS into our main CSS file. Open src/index.css. At the top, paste the import Tailwind CSS and save the file. Now run the project using npm run dev. It will give you a local server link. Copy that and open it in your browser. Now, how can we check our Tailwind is installed or not? So for that, open app.js, find your h1 tag. Now you will add a class name which is text red 600 and also I want to font bold. Save it and go back to your browser. If text runs red and font will be bold, it means Tailwind is working. So that's it for today. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for such amazing content. Thank you.